हेलो एवरीवन, मैं डॉक्टर बबली आप सभी का इंडियन एग्री कोर्स चैनल में स्वागत करती हूँ। आशा करते हैं आप सभी की जो तैयारी है वो बहुत अच्छे से चली हुई है। तो एक पार्ट हम कल वीडियो में रिलीज कर चुके हैं, तो आज सेकंड पार्ट है जिसमें हम वेरियस जो स्ट्रीम है एग्रीकल्चर की उसके मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट। Irish silkworm is raised on option A castor, option B coconut, option C mulberry, option D banana. The right answer is castor. The worker bee is option A style male, option B drone, option C style female, option D none of these. The right answer is style female. The floral host plant recommended for apiary. Option A chrysanthemum, option B jasmine, option C rose, and option D rangoon creeper. The right answer is rose. The major insect enemy of honeybee is option A Claria melonella, option B Acherontia stiex, option C Veja senecta, option D none of these. The right answer is Galeria melonella. Trichogramma parasitoid is recommended for management of option A Gangora thyrosis, option B Holotrichia serrata, option C Chiloinfactacatellus, option D Atherigona succata. The right answer is Chiloinfactacatellus. The major predator of lace insect is option A mantis, option B coccinella, option C chrysoperla, and option D eublema. The right answer is eublema. The following laboratory host is used for the multiplication of egg parasitoid. Option A Corchira sphalonica, option B Chilopartellus, option C Spodoptera, option D Helicoverpa. The right answer is Corchira sphalonica. Insecticide which is used as seed treatment for sucking pest management is option A andrine, option B diazinon, option C imidacloprid, and option D none of these. The right answer is imidacloprid. The insecticide which is having fumigant and penetrant action. Option A chlorpyrifos, option B DDVP, option C endosulfan, option D lindane. The right answer is DDVP जिसको हम डाइक्लोरवोस के नाम से भी जानते हैं. The following is the effective pathogen on Helicoverpa armigera. Option A nuclear polyhedral virus, option B bacillus, and option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is nuclear polyhedral virus. Use of light traps for the management of pests is an example of option A legal method of control, option B mechanical method of control, option C biological control, option D cultural control. The right answer is mechanical method of control. Which is the most widely used bacterium in insect? Option A Fusarium, option B Bacillus thuringiensis, option C Bacillus papilli, and option D Bacillus cereus. The right answer is Bacillus thuringiensis. Use of resistant varieties in the integrated pest management of insect is an example of option A legal control, option B chemical control, option C biological control, option D cultural control. The right answer is cultural control. Aries vitella is the pest of option A okra, option B citrus, option C cotton, option D rice. The right answer is cotton. White grub beetles lay eggs Option A, on the lower side of the leaf. Option B, singly in loose soil up to the depth of 10 centimeter. Option C, on the plant stem. Option D, within the floral parts. The option B is the right answer, singly in loose soil up to the depth of 10 centimeter. Which one is paddy armyworm which attack at milky stage in paddy? Option A, Chilopartellus. Option B, Pericilia. Option C, Mythimna separata. Option D, Plutella. The right answer is Mythimna separata. Yellow mosaic virus disease of mung bean spreads by option A, Bemisia tabaci, option B, Nephotetics, option C, Amaresca, option D, Aphis. The right answer is Aphis. इसको ग्राउंडनट एफिड भी बोलते हैं. Virecola isocrates is a fruit pest of option A, amla, option C, citrus, option C, guava, option D, pomegranate. The right answer is pomegranate. Calobruchus chinensis, जिसको हम पल्स बीटल भी बोलते हैं, is storage pest of option A, barley, option B, rice, option C, gram, and option D, groundnut. The right answer is gram. Desinura lini is the pest of option A, wheat, option B, gram, option C, groundnut, option D, linseed. The right answer is linseed. Nozzle is a part of option A, hand compressor sprayer, option B, rotary duster, option C, cyanogas pump, option D, none of these. The right answer is hand compressor sprayer. Insecticide may be recommended for the control of termite. Option A, dimethoate, option B, chlorpyrifos, option C, nimbicidine, option D, methyl O dimetone. The right answer is chlorpyrifos. The eco-friendly insecticide is option A, nimbicidine, option B, thiodane, option C, malathion, option D, permethrin. The right answer is nimbicidine. Pink bollworm is a serious pest of option A, rice, option B, cotton, option C, wheat, and option D, lady's finger. The right answer is cotton. Pheromone trap attracts option A, female moths, option B, female bugs, option C, caterpillars, and option D, male moths. इसका मैं आपको आंसर नहीं बताऊंगी, प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में आप इसका आंसर बताइए. Which is not a biopesticide? Option A, Carbaryl, option B, Bioneem, option C, Dipel, option D, Biolab. The right answer is Carbaryl. Which one of the following is a carbamate pesticide? Option A, endosulfan, option B, heptachlor, option C, aldicarb, option C, malathion. The right answer is aldicarb. Pokes of sweet potatoes, scab of Irish potatoes, and black root rot of tobacco are favored by option A, acidic conditions, option B, highly alkaline conditions, option C, neutral to alkaline conditions, and option D, extremely acidic conditions. The right answer is neutral to alkaline conditions. Increase in yield of a crop as a result of increasing a single growth factor is proportional to the decrement from the maximum yield obtainable by increasing the particular growth factor was described by option A, Liebig, option B, Bray, option C, Michaelis, option D, Spillman. The right answer is Michaelis. Which of the following is an example of positive interaction? Option A, molybdenum and phosphorus. Option B, phosphorus and silicon. Option C, lime and phosphorus. Option D, sodium and potassium. The right answer is phosphorus and silicon. The nutrient concentration range in which added nutrient will not increases yield but can increases nutrient concentration is termed as option A, deficient range, Option B, luxury consumption. Option C, critical range. Option D, toxic range. The right answer is luxury consumption. Name of the element is indirectly related with drought resistant. Option A, zinc. Option B, potassium. Option C, molybdenum. Option D, nitrogen. The right answer is potassium. Which element is considered as energy currency for the plant? Option A, potassium. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, molybdenum. The right answer is phosphorus. The purpling along the leaf edges is deficiency symptoms of option A, phosphorus, option B, potassium, option B, C, boron, option D, calcium. The right answer is phosphorus. Which one of the following element is considered to be an immobile element in the plant? Option A, calcium. Option B, boron. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, potassium. The right answer is calcium. Among the families of crop plants, the sulfur requirement increases in the order of option A, Gramineae, लेस देन लेग्यूमिनेशी एंड लेस देन क्रिसिफेरी। तो सबसे ज्यादा क्रिसिफेरी को चाहिए, फिर लेग्यूमिनेशी को, फिर सबसे कम चाहिए ग्रेमिनी को। ऑप्शन बी, सबसे ज्यादा ग्रेमिनी फैमिली को, उसके बाद क्रिसिफेरी, फिर उसके बाद लेग्यूमिनेशी। सी जो ऑप्शन है उसमें लेग्यूमिनेशी फैमिली को सबसे ज्यादा सल्फर चाहिए। ऑप्शन फिर बाद में आता है क्रिसिफेरी, उसके बाद आता है ग्रेमिनी। द राइट आंसर इज सबसे ज्यादा जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सल्फर की वो होती है क्रिसिफेरी फैमिली को, उसके बाद लेग्यूमिनेशी फैमिली को, और सबसे लास्ट में आता है ग्रेमिनी फैमिली। When iron contents in plants falls below or equal to ppm part per million, then deficiency is likely to occur. Option A, 10 ppm. Option B, below 30 ppm. Option C, 50 ppm. And option D, 100 ppm. The right answer is 50 ppm. Who is considered the father of field plot technique? Option A, Pushkar Nath. Option B, Ramanuj. And option C, J.B. Bossingalt. And option D, Liebig. The right answer is J.B. Bossingalt. The law of minimum was given by Liebig in option A 1852, option B 1872, option C 1862 and option D 1875. The right answer is 1862. In remote sensing, which type of radiation is utilized for photography? Option A, violet. Option B, green light. Option C, far red light. Option D, infrared light. The right answer is infrared light. One bushel is equal to option A 28.35 gram, option B 0.454 lb, option C 101.30 atmosphere, option D 35.24 liter. The right answer is 35.24 liter. It has been observed that soil pH increase in option A winter, option B Zaid season, option C summer season and option D post monsoon season. The right answer is winter. The behavior of the plant in relation to day length is known as option A thermoperiodism, option B heliotropic and option C photoperiodism, option D none of these. The right answer is photoperiodism. Range of stomatal resistance offered by the plant is option A 0 से 50 meter per second, option B 50 से 100 meter per second, option C 150 to 200 meter per second, option D 300 to 400 meter per second. The right answer is 50 to 100 meter per second. Actual site of action of photosynthesis is option A chloroplast, option B mesophyll cells, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is mesophyll cells. Which of the following pigment is existing in plant? Option A phytochrome जो blue color होता है, ऑप्शन बी कैरोटीनॉइड्स जो येलो कलर होता है, एंड ऑप्शन सी क्लोरोफिल जो ग्रीन कलर देता है, एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दिस। द राइट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ दिस। Primary product of carbon fixation in C4 plants is option A aspartic acid, option B malic acid, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Which type of plant is having lower water use efficiency? Option A camp plant, option C C4 plants, option C C3 plants, and option D all of these. The right answer is C3 plants. Which type of plant can utilize the carbon dioxide even at low concentration? Option A camp plants, option B C3 plants, option C C4 plants, and option D all of these. The right answer is camp plants. The last question is which of the following is C3 plant? Option A potato, option B rice, option C tomato, and option D all of these. The right answer is all of these. Thank you guys. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं कल नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. Thank you so much.